Did you know that your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, and maintaining a healthy balance can actually boost your mood and immune system? Probiotics have become a buzzword in discussions about gut health, and for good reason. They're often touted as a magic solution for digestive issues, but what exactly are they? Simply put, probiotics are live microorganisms that are similar to the beneficial bacteria found in your gut. They're usually derived from fermented foods or supplements and are designed to promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Probiotics interact with the gut microbiome in a fascinating way. When you take a probiotic supplement or eat probiotic-rich foods like yogurt or kefir, you're introducing these beneficial bacteria into your gut. From there, they can help crowd out pathogenic bacteria, support the gut lining, and even produce certain vitamins. It's a remarkable process that can have a significant impact on your overall health. One of the most significant benefits of probiotics is their ability to improve digestion. By supporting the gut microbiome, probiotics can help break down food more efficiently, reducing symptoms of bloating, gas, and irritable bowel syndrome. But that's not all. Probiotics also play a crucial role in boosting immunity. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for a functioning immune system, and probiotics can help support the production of antibodies and activate immune cells. Some research even suggests that probiotics may have a positive impact on mental health. The gut-brain axis is a complex system that connects the gut microbiome to the central nervous system, and probiotics may help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Additionally, probiotics may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to a range of chronic diseases. The implications of regular probiotic consumption are still being studied, but the available evidence suggests that it can have a profound impact on long-term health. Ongoing research is focused on understanding the optimal dosage, duration, and type of probiotics for specific health benefits. Some studies suggest that long-term probiotic use can lead to changes in the gut microbiome that are associated with improved health outcomes. According to Dr. Sarah Jones, a leading expert in gut health, probiotics are a game changer for gut health. By supporting the gut microbiome, we can improve digestion, boost immunity, and even reduce symptoms of mental health disorders. Many people have experienced positive changes after incorporating probiotics into their daily routine. In summary, probiotics play a vital role in maintaining gut health and overall well-being. By supporting the gut microbiome, probiotics can improve digestion, boost immunity, and even have a positive impact on mental health. As research continues to uncover the benefits of probiotics, it's clear that they're an essential tool for anyone looking to take control of their health. We'd love to hear about your experiences with probiotics. Have you noticed any positive changes after incorporating them into your daily routine? Be sure to leave a comment below and check out our other videos on health topics for more information.